What's up, guys? Welcome back. Patreon request from Drake. Lucario. So he sent me this. Looks like a painting. Someone like painted this. It's pretty ridiculous. Lucario doing like ridiculously good. I mean, Lucario doing like a spirit bomb or something, or a Kamehameha. So, yeah. So is that his ear or head? Okay. Sorry now. I'm like trying to figure out the anatomy of this guy. There's a spike. 1, 2, 3, 4 spikes on the head. What's that though? Is that his arm? Okay, we'll do our best. Pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. It's a complicated body position. So his head like in here. Start with his eye. Top eye line. Curving. His eye is kind of like a triangle, right? So it kind of comes down here and then in. Red glowing iris. Skinny circle or curve just in there. And then his pupil. Same sort of thing. Long, skinny, sort of oval there. So no like eyebrows or anything really. There might be like a little eyelid line there, but doesn't really look like there's anything on his head apart from the eyes and like his nose and stuff. Okay, so his snout, like just across here, I'll get that in. So it goes around. Very thick edge lines, but we'll go around like that, right? So that's like his nose. And then this goes underneath and down for his cheek and around up to there. It's kind of like shape for his head, okay? His other eye is like right beside the snout here. So it goes, and this one's like real thin, right? Because his head is kind of turned away from us. But like a little skinny triangle compared to the other side. And then his red eye is kind of just in the corner here, looking up. And then the other side of his face curves around to the top of the head, kind of like that, right? So his ears then curve up here and then down, kind of like a rabbit sort of. And then we have these black patterns, right? So kind of starts in here, down. And then we'll go around. And then we'll go with some sort of spiky. It looks like the Star Trek symbol. It's, you know, I don't know if you're familiar with Star Trek, probably not. You know, Starfleet. And like just little triangles there. Okay, now that big sort of hairy stuff. So I know they're round, so I guess they're not. It's not really hair, but it looks like hair. So I don't know if you should draw it furry or not. You know, it's not furry in the show. It's coming up, and then another one. 4 of them. There's something else there, but that should be background, I think. Maybe. I don't know what that is. Okay, well, there's definitely a hand here. It looks like a little spike, but I looked at the other versions of them, and that's not in it. So I think it's just hand. Oh, and this black line, sorry, on his head keeps going down towards the front of his snout. Okay, so he's got like a shoulder pad, like a circle shoulder pad. It's real round. And his arm comes out of this gap. So it just goes like a tube, just going that way. And then it goes in here, and it has an edge. So edge lines just sort of make this object look a bit 3D. Then he seems to have like a hairy sort of body kind of a thing, like textures all here. And then there definitely is a spike coming out from the front of his chest there, where it's kind of like hairy on it, curves around. So his hand, it gets wider as we go up, so it goes like up here, and then his elbow goes this way. And he's another one of these spikes coming out from his hand, so it goes roughly there. And then we get like 3 cartoony fingers just bumping around like that, right? He kind of has a paw rather than a hand. And then there's black patterning, black spikes on the hand. Okay, his other hand, just above this one, 3 fingers again, round curvy fingers. It goes down into there. There's like another spike there, but I don't think there should be another spike. Okay, so legs then, real wide legs. So belt. Just before we do the legs, there's a round sort of belt here, or a black pattern. And then there's fur on top, just spiky zigzag. Like that. And then this pattern comes around here. One big knee. It's kind of drawn in furry. So you could do it furry or not, because I don't think it's furry in the cartoon. It's kind of smooth. In the anime, should I say. Right, his other knee sticks out here. Right, so divided sort of legs, wide stance. And then a big old tail. It looks kind of spiky with a bit of fur on top. And then his feet are pretty much the same as his hands, just kind of like cartoony, round. 1, 2. You might hear a child crying in the background. She's nearly 2. Sorry about that. Terrible 2s, you know. Everything's a problem. I don't know if you can hear that. My life, ladies and gentlemen. Right, and then other toe. So he's got like an energy thing happening here, right? It's done with color and paint. It's not drawn in with line. So the best thing to do is probably like just sort of a ball of light, right? A little sort of white one, and then like a larger blue, just like going around. You could use a stencil if you want, but like it doesn't have to be a perfect circle. And then like the rest to be color. Like you wouldn't really do it with lines, you know. I think there might be some like energy coming out of it if you wanted, you know, like some like electric. You could draw that stuff maybe, you know. But you know, it's not totally necessary if you didn't want to draw it. You could just do it with color like the person who drew this originally did. But if you just get something out roughly and then start adding your color, that's probably the best way to do it. There you go, Drake. Thanks for the support on Patreon. Hope it's helpful. See you in the next one. Bye.